Master the art of effortless background removal in Photoshop and unlock a world of creative possibilities. Let's dive straight into making your subject pop by quickly removing distracting backgrounds. And we'll start with the simplest method, perfect for subjects with clearly defined edges. First, grab the Object Selection tool from your toolbar. It looks like a square with a dotted circle inside. Simply click and drag a loose rectangle around your subject. Photoshop's AI is incredibly smart. It usually nails the selection in seconds. Once you see the marching ants around your subject, you've got your isolation. Now, to refine this selection, especially for trickier edges like hair or fur, head up to the Select and Mask workspace. You can access this by clicking the Select and Mask button at the top, or by pressing Ctrl or Command+R. Here, choose the Refine Edge Brush tool. It's the one that looks like a brush with fuzzy edges. Gently paint over those tricky areas like the edges of the hair. Watch as it magically cleans up the edges, separating the fine details from the background. It's like having a magic wand for your selections. Once you're happy with the refined selection, simply click OK. Now, add a layer mask by clicking the mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Instantly, your background disappears, leaving your subject perfectly isolated. This clean isolation means you can effortlessly place your subject onto any new background, create stunning composites, or simply clean up your images for a professional look. With these quick and efficient techniques, you're ready to transform your images and unleash your creativity in Photoshop.